everyone! Welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. If you like this video, subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your own mouse head bar clips using vegan leather. For this project, you will need a silicone non-stick mat, some vegan leather, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, a metal hair clip, mouse head embellishments, and Gorilla Super Glue. When you are making a hair clip, be sure to measure the clip in advance to decide how big you need the vegan leather cut to be. I will carefully cut a straight rectangle by hand, slightly larger than the size of my hair clip so it works for my project. Now I can adhere the vegan leather to my hair clip using my hot glue gun. Put down either a non-stick glue gun pad or paper towel. For this type of material, it's best to use Gorilla Glue. For best results, heat to 200 degrees Celsius. Prep your hair clip by giving it a line of glue. Now you can place the vegan leather in position for adhering by centering the rectangle on top of the clip. Apply pressure to set the glue and secure the hold. And finally, you can glue the resin mouse heads on using Gorilla Super Glue. And just like that, these hair clips are done and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is the inspiration you needed to get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.